I would be remiss if I did not talk about vendor management and vendor security when it comes to cybersecurity oversight. We talked about sort of the target breach earlier. You'll see a chart here that shows how the timeline of how things can occur. And certainly those of you that work for more sophisticated companies may have vendors that may be implicated or involved in a cybersecurity threat, and so it's critical that you are constantly auditing, monitoring the vendors that participate in the information technology space for your respective companies, because vendors can unfortunately play a huge role when it comes to the incidents that can occur and perhaps for lack of awareness. Now, as a former regulator, I would also be remiss if I didn't talk about regulator hot buttons when it comes to cyber security. And as many of us have seen, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau recently took action in the Dwala case against a company that, at least in the CFPB's eyes, failed to actually live up to its protections that it said that it had in place to keep consumers safe by protecting their consumer data. So, it's not just an issue of state regulators that can certainly bring enforcement actions against companies for lack of cybersecurity, and also we know that states' attorneys generals can as well. But now the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau has let everyone know that it will be taking action against companies that have failed to either put proper cybersecurity measures in place, or number two, failed to adhere to the procedures that it said it had in place in the first place. That's really important. And as you can see here, we see some other regulator hot buttons when it comes to absence of appropriate policies